Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review on the brand new Badgal Lash by Benefit. So this mascara has taken the internet by storm. I guess beauty gurus went on an elaborate trick for Benefit to launch this product, and apparently it's one of a kind. So if you're interested in seeing me try it on and give you a review on whether or not it's worth the hype, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the little package it comes in. Apparently it has 36-hour full blast volume. Bang! And it says 90% saw dramatic volume, 94% said it instantly lifted lashes, and 92% said it lengthened lashes. It has pro vitamin B5 known to fuel thickness and strength, smudge proof and flake free, and water resistant. So I guess one of the big sellers of this product is that it has a gravity defying formula. It has aero particles in it found in aerogel, one of the lightest known materials. It's used in astronaut space suits. That's very extra. I'm actually kind of scared. Anyways, let's get into it. Let's open this bad boy up. A little package. So this is what it looks like. It's got like a studded handle on it. It's almost like this very soft, matte, rubbery feeling to it. And then when you open it, whoa, this is the brush. Very bendy, which I like. So I guess it's skinny at the beginning and it gets wider at the end. Okay, let's get into it. My hair back and we are going to put this on. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to give it a fair shot and I'm going to curl my lashes because I do that all the time anyway, so. Lashes are curled. Okay, I'm going in. Okay, so right off the bat, I really like the applicator. It's very soft. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I always had an issue with these plastic like bristles on mascara, but I'm finding this to be extremely gentle. I'm also finding it very easy to apply. Okay, so this is the first coat without having to dip into the brush. Let's do the other eye. It's really easy to really get under and get into like your base of your lashes because of the brush. It's so skinny and lightweight that it really does get in there. So that's one coat. Let's do a second coat. Now I'm going to do the bottom. Wow. Okay guys, that is the Badgal Lash Mascara. Okay guys, so that was the Badgal Lash. I'm very much obsessed with it, I have to say. It was a first impression. I'm going to see how it wears. But so far, I've never used such a gentle wand in my life. I find that it made my lashes very long. It didn't get clumpy. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I think I just found my new favorite mascara. And no, this video is not sponsored. These are my own opinions. No one's paying me to say this. I truly love this mascara. So if you guys haven't picked it up, I highly recommend you do because wow, I'm obsessed. I think that if you like a more natural lash, if you don't like this kind of look, a really good option would be the Benefit Roller Lash. This is also a really, really good mascara. It's a good option for somebody who doesn't like this dramatic of a lash, but I do, and I love this mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.